sounds so good. Just look at how good this thing looks. The master at work. Oh, that is a beautiful car. This car just looks so mean down here. I love the back end on these things. These tail lights are so cool. Sorry. Alright, so we actually made it in the Huracan, which is nice. It sounds so good. Good morning everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we're doing kind of just a day vlog, I guess you could call it. We're gonna go grab coffee first, so we'll make a little video of that, and then I think after that we're gonna head up to Park City. I have some calendars in the back that we're gonna go deliver up there. We're taking one to Brian. He just bought, he's the one who had that supercharged Huracan that I shot probably like a year ago, but he ended up selling that car and he just got a brand new GT3 RS. So we're gonna go drop that calendar off, check out his car, so that should be kind of cool, and then I think we'll like grab some food or something up in Park City, mess around up there for a bit, and then I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us after that. But first, let's start the day with coffee, because that's the most important meal of the day. Hi puppy. Okay, so we're just getting up here to Park City right now after coffee. We're like a mile from his house, so we're gonna pull up here in just a second and get this dropped off and show you guys that car, and then we'll go explore Park City after this.
Which is apparently good for me if I don't ever drive it. So the one thing that Derek and I have been debating is the actual factory exhaust cuts off right here.
Yeah.
So they can cut these and make it...
Oh, like to flush it out?
Well, and that's how it is at the factory. So these deflect that, because when you're on a track, you have to have the windows down and you don't want that noise. That's like an $800 option. And it didn't.
So it's like nail the mark.
There's something always sitting there.
Just by your crotch all the time.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's so cool.
And then Derek just did the, I put the, that's all carbon fiber. This weighs nothing. Like, you can feel this.
Oh, jeez.
Literally doesn't weigh anything. And then
That's
the whole
big.
back is carbon fiber. Like, literally this whole car is made of carbon fiber.
So that was pretty cool getting to see that car and drop that calendar off. We are just heading to downtown Park City now. We're gonna go and try and find some food to eat. So we'll see what we can find down there. Okay, so we made it to Park City. We're just going to grab some food right now, just around the corner here. Hopefully we find something good, so we'll see what they have around here. I think we're gonna try this place out. That feels good. Okay, so strike one, that place only had single avocados for $15, or I think salads. Avocados and salads, but we want some real food, so. Look at how fancy that is. Okay, so thank you guys again for watching this vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed today's vlog and getting to see a little bit of Park City and around, and then that GT3. But yeah, once again, so I've started making those calendars, which is what I was dropping off earlier. They're pretty cool. It's just a normal 12-month calendar, but I've tried to feature as many of the local Utah cars as I can. So they're all Salt Lake cars, everything except for the Pagani, but that was just passing through and I had to put it in because why not. But yeah, if you want one of those calendars or one of the posters, either one, hit me up. I will put links below in the description to those calendars and the posters. Thank you guys again for watching this vlog, and I will see you all next time.